Hi everyone, welcome back to Slate Secrets YouTube channel.
We have another synthetic wig to review from Amazon. This hair vendor's name is either Swetcurly or Sweet Curly Hair. I'm going to put their logo on the screen so that you know which vendor I'm talking about.
Let's get started.
So the package does come with a couple of goodies. So the first thing that they give you is a little card. On the inside is a little thank you note from the vendor with their contact information, and then also an entire page on how to care for the hair. So that's what's up. The next thing that they give is a wig cap. Definitely will come in handy. And they also give Huda eyelashes. But anyways, those are all the goodies. Let's go ahead and get the hair out of this bag. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so the first topic is initial shedding. I'm going to do my normal comb through. This wig has no shedding, so kudos to that. Next topic is true to length. This wig is supposed to be 24 inches long, so let's go ahead and double check that. So the first thing I'm going to point out is that this wig is layered. So this strand right here is from the middle of the wig. So I have the measuring tape at the middle point of the wig, and as we saw earlier, this wig is layered. So I have the wig hanging freely. The 24-inch mark is right here, so majority of the hair does stop at 24 inches. And as you can see, a couple of the hair ends do go past 24 inches. So it is safe to say that this wig is 24 inches long. The next topic is smell. The hair actually smells like a hair grease that I used to use when I was a kid. It doesn't smell bad at all, so kudos to that. And the texture of this wig is fairly soft. Definitely from combing my fingers through this hair, I can tell that it is synthetic. You know, if the shine didn't give it up, the texture definitely did. As far as hair pattern, the hair vendor calls this wig loose wave. I think that this is more like a water wave. I think loose waves would be more loose. This is more tighter and random like water wave, but that's just my opinion. Either way, this wig does have a wavy pattern. And as far as tangles, as you can see, sometimes when I comb my fingers through this hair, it gets stuck. So it just got stuck. When I start to comb my fingers through the hair at the top, it's fine, but as I get closer to the hair ends, it does get stuck. So I think it definitely has something to do with the hair ends. So the hair ends are a little dry, and that's probably why every time I try to comb my fingers through this hair, it does get a little stuck. So we might have to do a little bit of therapy on this wig, which would be probably trimming the ends and giving some moisture. The vendor already showed us that we can actually wash and condition this wig, which is great. So we definitely want to cut the ends and deep condition this wig so that we don't have issues with tangles and dry ends. And as far as volume, since it's a lot of hair and it's fairly thick, it does have a nice volume. So let's give you a close-up for this hairline. So this is the lace. So the vendor does give you these long baby hairs, and they did pre-pluck the wig.
I will definitely pluck the hairline some more because the hairline is too round for me. This is the right side of the wig. You will have to cut out the ear spaces for sure. It's good that they gave us baby hair, but it's way too long for me.
So as you can see, the baby hair is only located in the front center of the wig. There isn't any baby hair on the sides of the wig.
As soon as I cut this lace, a few inches of the baby hair will be cut as well. None of this is a problem at all. Just know that we do have some work to do with this wig.
So let's talk about the structure of the wig.
Let's turn the wig inside out. This is the back of the lace.
We can go ahead and measure it. The lace stops right here at the 3-inch mark, and on the sides it does decrease. So the deepest part that you will have on this wig is 3 inches, which is right here in the middle.
On the sides, they give you 1.5 inches of lace.
And you get 11 inches of lace from ear to ear.
So the other things to add about the front of the lace is that I don't like the lace color. This color is not a natural color that would match with my complexion very well. I really don't like the lace color, so another task added on to the list of things to do for this wig. The lace does feel a little rough, so I will be wearing a wig cap under this wig to protect my edges. But on the flip side, they do give you 3 wig clips. So you have wig clips for the left and right side of your head and then right in the middle. So that's good. So let's talk about the back of the wig. So this is the back of the wig. It's like your typical wig structure. So there isn't a back wig clip, but they do have the drawstrings, right? And the hooks. So that's good for security. I will say this cap doesn't look very big, so I am a little nervous. But we will definitely try it on and go from there. So let's go ahead and try the wig on. Okay guys, so I have the wig on and oh my goodness, this wig is very tight on my head. Like it's literally squeezing my head. So this wig is not a big head friendly wig. Overall, I'm rating this wig a 7 out of 10. Losing 1 point because the hair tangles. Losing another point for having bad hair ends. And losing a final point for not being big head friendly. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you have any questions. Be sure that you are subscribed to Slade Secrets YouTube channel so that you don't miss any more wig reviews. I will see you in the next video. Bye.